Put it away. No, it's not. Like, I don't know what's up. Wait, do not actually. What did you just do? I heard
vacuum.
Oh yeah, did you just walk into the vacuum?
Yes. Yes, I did.
You know, it's a very large object.
You know what else?
What?
There's the cat vomit thing, which made me dodge and not hit it.
Oh, Lord in heaven. Hello, my partner is a klutz. Yes. I'm looking at my coffee and I'm like, should I have any more? No, I shouldn't. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. I'm gonna eat a banana on stream. Sure. You can have it. Yes, I'm gonna eat a banana on stream. That's happening. Wait, can I not eat a banana on stream? What? Hello. What?
Eats banana on stream, viewer count jumps tenfold.
I'm not wearing a low enough shirt to be able to eat a banana on stream. This, Vivi says, will help my stomach to feel better. I do not recommend eating anywhere near your workspace. You shouldn't be eating food, but I did wash my hands and I haven't touched stuff yet, and I'm not really eating on the workspace, so it's sort of okay. Munch. Alright. Hopefully that'll help my stomach. I know. I'm very appetizing, right? I'm sorry. I am human. I need to eat. I have issues. Though, my stomach has been behaving itself. So, in its defense, I haven't really had issues. That's out of water. Not eating out is doing our stomach's a world of good. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so. So a lot of the restaurants use the, what is it, Cisco branded, like oils and just generic basic stuff. I think it's Cisco. SYSCO, if I recall correctly. And I'm worried something there, because it's usually people who don't source their I just feel I have the theory that it's an oil issue, and that it's possibly an oil that maybe corn-based or just whatever that company, because that company sources a lot of their oil and, as I said, general supplies to a lot of these restaurants. maybe it has to do with that. Alright, so I have 5 of these, I think. Shapes. Choco mate. Yes. Sorry, that was loud. I have 5, so maybe I should probably switch around the directionality to give it some variety. How are these guys doing though? I'm checking on my 3 pieces that are in here. Flipping them over to make sure the back gets cured for the opaque pieces. My thing is all the way over here. There we go. Ah! So hot. This thing produces so much heat, the lamp. Alright. Cool. I need to, like, you don't. Oh, there she is. I would lift her if her hair wouldn't go all over here. But I have a cat who is saying hello, as you heard. She is cute, but she is also very bad. I know, right? She's also very bad for resin, and the resin is really bad for her. Where did she go? Hi. I am sorry. You can hang out right there, but not. No. Do not. Please, do not jump. I'm sorry, kitty. I would pet you, but... Wait, I actually don't have any resin on my... What was that? She shook, or like she shook her head, and she banged into something that's here, and then she got spooked. I'm sorry, cat. You cannot get into my lap or on my desk right now. If I can get a cheap camera, another webcam, but a cheap one, I need to hook up a cat cam. But she's usually not in the same place. Cat. 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 You're pawing at my arm. I'm sorry. You cannot get on my lap. And I'm not working. I'm sorry, kitty. I feel so bad. We can hang out later, Fuzzbutt. And it sounds like... I'm sorry, cat. Hi. There's no space on my lap, I'm sorry. You can get onto the futon near me. I'm sorry, kitty. I'm like attempting to teach her all over again that there are times where she just can't get onto the table or on my lap. Hi, cat. No, please don't. No. Shebang.